Hello, I am Devashish Chakravarti. Let us take a look at ABC analysis. ABC analysis is a technique of categorizing inventory. It is widely used in materials management. What does ABC analysis seek to do? What it seeks to do is to recategorize all stocks based on the impact they have on the total inventory cost. So a stock that has, irrespective of its quantity, that has a larger value at that point of time, its impact on the total inventory cost will be higher. ABC analysis also seeks to identify various classes of stock which require different management techniques for handling. So how does one determine stocks that fall into the three classes, that is the A class, B class or C class? Step 1, identify the value of each item in stock. The cost of that particular item is multiplied by the number of that item held in stock, which gives us the total value for one particular item or one particular SKU. Do this for every category of item. Thus, you will arrive at a list of total values for every category of item. Arrange this entire list in descending order. So on top you will get that particular item which accounts for the largest percentage of inventory cost, and at the bottom you will get that category of item which accounts for the least percentage of inventory cost. Now in this total list, the top few items that account for total 80% of the inventory cost are known as the A class items. You will find that the A class items, though they occupy or though they account for 80% of the inventory cost, as far as the numbers are concerned, they are probably closer to 20% of the number of items held in the inventory. Similarly, the B class items are those items that immediately follow the A class items and account for the next 15% of the inventory cost. The B class items typically, in terms of numbers, will account for 30% of inventory. Finally, the C class items. These are the balance items which account for 5% of the total inventory cost, but typically account for about 50% of the total inventory in terms of number of items. Thus, ABC analysis has categorized all items depending on their total value, or in equivalent terms, the total impact it has on the value of inventory. What would be the different management techniques you would like to apply to these items? In materials management, the A category items are watched more closely or are watched and managed by a higher level of management. Similarly, the B category items would be the domain or responsibility of, say, a lower degree of management. And the final C category items, since their effect on inventory is the lowest, can be managed with a lower cost of management. That completes ABC analysis.